Electric eels. Legendary shocker Alexander Humboldt went to South America to catch electric eels in 1800. He thought they could help him learn about electricity, a kind of energy that scientists knew little about. He knew not to touch the eels because the shocks could cause great pain. He asked some fishermen to help. The fishermen led about 30 horses into a pond. The electric eels began to shock the horses. When the eels were too tired to shock the horses anymore, the fishermen caught 5 eels. Humboldt learned much about the eels. It's a fish. Electric eels are long gray brown fish with yellow or orange on their throats. They are more like catfish than other eels and belong to a group of fish that are all electric. Electric eels can be about as big around as an adult person's leg and 3 times as long. Male and female electric eels are alike in color and size. Unlike most other fish, electric eels breathe air. They have gills, but their gills mostly help them breathe out. Electric eels have special organ, organs in their mouths that help them breathe in. They breathe out waste air from their mouths and gills. They come up to breathe air every few minutes and can drone. Like most other fish, electric eels have fins and a backbone. Their backbones and fins are body parts that help them move. They swim slowly most of the time, but they move quickly when they attack. It's electric. Electric eels are the most electric fish on Earth. They can find their way around to send signals to other eels using their electricity. They can also protect themselves, hunt and stun or kill the animals they eat. Other fish use electricity too, but none are as powerful as electric eels. Three organs make an electric eel's shocks. These organs make up most of an electric eel's body. They make its body like a big battery that could turn on a light. An electric eel can shock its prey or the animals it eats with up to 650 volts of electricity. The shock can kill small animals and stun big ones. Any animal near the eel can feel it. The shock has about 5 times and volts used to power a lamp. Scientists don't know why electric eels can't feel their own shocks. It might be because of how big the eels are. It might be because of how their shock moves. Or it might be because electric eels have body parts that protect them. Electric eels have long rows of special cells called electros- electrocytes. Electrocytes each send out a tiny shock at almost the same time. The cells work together to create the electric eel's big zap. Stunning attack. Before an electric eel uses its attack zap, it has to fight prey. Electric eels can't see well and are nocturnal or most active at night. Electric eels send out small shocks, about 50 very second, every second, to sense nearby plants and animals. When an electric eel senses, it sends out two or three big shocks. The shocks make the prey move, which helps the eel fight it quickly. Then the electric eel sends out its attack shock, which stuns or kills the prey. The electric eel suck the prey into its belly before the animal swims away. Electric eels mostly eat small fish or animals like frogs or shrimp. Young eels also eat worms and insects. Don't swim there. Electric eels are top predators that fill other animals eat in the South American river they where they live. They can also live in other types of nearby fresh water such as ponds. Because they breathe air, electric eels can live in water that might kill other fish. They can also live out of water for hours if they stay wet. Electric eels mostly lay eggs in small ponds. Male eels build bubble nests with their speed. Female eels lay eggs in the bubbles. Males protect the nest. They also protect the babies until they grow to about half as long as a pencil. The young eels only make small shocks so they can become prey for other animals. Future energy source. Scientists are still learning new things about electric eels. Some scientists want to use what they have learned about electric eels to make a new kind of battery. The battery could be used inside people, and it wouldn't harm them or run out of power. 200 years ago, Humboldt wrote, the scientists didn't understand all the secrets of electric fish. That is still true today. What will electric eels help scientists learn next?